Igama lami uQiniso Isibongo Uhlophe ngisuke endaweni yaseGcilima esigudini sawaXolo. Igama lekhampani uGumbane Organic Farm is a small scale farm esibheke endaweni yaseGcilima. Iyarejistwa ngo-2023 lapho saqale ngokutshala ama-crops. Ukuze ngiyisungule le nkampani because igama lakhokho wami uGumbane Organic uGumbane kahle babesuka endaweni yase-Elim ilapho engaba nentshisekelo because ikhehle elizala umkhulu lalifuyile izinkomo steaded because nami ngingomunye nje unesifiso ukuthi one day abe ngomunye ozofuya izinkomo kodwa ngithe othi ngiqale ngalokho enginamandla okwenza. Okay, uGumbane Organic Farm udila ngokuthi atshala ama-crops bese ukuthi lawo ama-crops siwaprocesse senze ama-product ahlukene like spinach juice, beetroot juice, ne-carrot juice, differently yama-shot like ginger shot and nama-immune system shots. Since ngiqalile ukusebenza because ngo-2023 saqala ukuthi sitshala ama-crops kuphela siwadayisa around in our community. Manje sesi-upgrade started from ngo-2024 lapho sesikwazi ukuthi siprocesse ama-crops ahlukene lapho kwenza ukuthi ngibe ne-passion kwi-agri processing because sibona igap ukuthi so many people baba nama-chronical disease ingakho nje size ne-solution ukuthi singabasiza kanjani abantu ukuthi bathole the healthy food or organic food. Okay, like i-beetroot juice ikhona ukuthi ibooste your immune system iphinde support your healthy digest bese ikusize ukubuyiseni kwegazi like ikunikeze i-iron ikunikeze uvitamin A no vitamin C. Then ama-short like ginger shot ikusiza ukuthi ikline isikhumba sakho iphinde idraine lawo mafutha la asuke engadingeki emzimbeni ikusize kwi-cold and flu njengoba sazi ukuthi sekusondele nobusika abantu bazosizakala kakhulu. Okay, uSitfa ungisize kakhulu through ekuqaleni le product testing lapho sizokhona ukuthi nathi sibe ngabanye abazokhona ukuthi ama-product abo angene ezitolo bangisize nge-funding nge-product testing lapho ngathola u-48,000. Sikhuluma nje siphezu ukuthi silindile ama-result for a-product testing lapho sasithesta ojam. Okay, ama-product ami sino jam like apple jam, tomato jam, carrot jam and ne-pear jam. Labo jam laba bahlukile nakwabanye ojam njengoba sazi ukuthi so many business or kwi-food security lapho kusuke kusetshenziswa ama-chemical thina sizosolva leyo problem ukuthi abantu bathole ama-product anganawo ama-preservatives nama-chemical. Nakhona futhi uSitfa usize njengoba sesiqalile ukuthi i-product yethu i-testwe bazosiza futhi ukuthi ngecala le-branding necala le-marketing ukuthi ama-sample ethu azongena kanjani ezitolo. Ukufika kwaSitfa ecaleni lethu isisize ngokuthi sikwazi ukuthi senze i-business management ama-short course lokho kwenza ukuthi sizi-approve ukuthi singobani njengoGumbane Organic Farm. If unomhlaba omncane kufanele uze ne-solution ukuthi how to generate i-income. Njengami nje sasitshala ama-crops endaweni encane sabona ukuthi no singenza kanjani ukuthi singayingenisa kanjani income saqala ngokufunda ukuthi senze i-agri processing. Ama-training mina bengikwenza ngama-short course ngokusizwa ukumnandi siyavuna balimi development bangisiza ukuthi how to make a jam, how to make juices. Then ngomdlandla wami ngaphinda ngenza i-research like ka-Alison khona ama-training akhona or 3 days or 3 weeks lapho ufunda how to make this product. Our target market fitness zone namakliniki nezikole like ukusaplayela othisha around in our community. Then sothi yonke into seyenzakalile for sekubuyile ama result sokhona ukuthi sifakele kuma health shop. Into eningayilindela for now, ningalindela ukuthi khona ama training esizowenzisa khona maduze ngayi agri processing because semaningi kakhulu ama product esesikwazi ukwenza adliwa ngabantu. Lokho nje, and futhi okunye ama juice esizoza nawo la enziwa ngama fruit, okwamanje sisenza la enziwa ngama veg only. Okay, satholakala ko wonke ama social media platforms. If you said Kumbane Organic Farm, like Facebook, Instagram Kumbane Organic Farm, then sitholakala na WhatsApp kule number 063 93 77 468 063 77 468.